be sharing with you guys a company called Antique Candle Co. And they sell fabulous soy farmhouse style candles. And I thought it'd be fun to unbox this with you guys and share all the fabulous scents with you all. Antique Candle Co. was gracious enough to send me this box to share with you all. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm smelling here is their newest scent, and it's called Pear by Cotten Stem, and it's got this really beautiful pear smell, obviously, but it's got a really floral, really elegant smell to it. I really like this. This is something that'd be perfect like at a bridal party or a baby shower. It's going to be really welcoming, and I really like this. Really, really pretty smell. So I have this one in a big mason jar. Love this. The next one we have here is an 8-ounce candle, and this one is Mama's Kitchen, and I really like this. This has a very country farmhouse smell to it. Very welcoming. Yeah, you can smell it from over where my husband is.
I'm behind the camera.
He's behind the camera, and it smells really good. This has like that pie smell, that really fresh baked smell of goodies. Not a sweet smell, but just really like you're going to Mama's house. This is how my Mama's house smells. Really, really yummy. I love this. It kind of hits home, you know what I mean? I really like this. And last but not least, we have the 4-ounce soy candle, and this one is the Sweet Lemon, and this by far is my favorite. It has a really summery smell to it. It tastes like fresh lemonade, fresh squeezed lemonade. And it's delightful if you're having like a 4th of July party, or if you just want your home to smell not just fresh but really sweet, not like a cake sweet, but just really sweet. This is a really fun one to have. I really like this. So if I was going to tell you guys what my favorite is, by far the Sweet Lemon is my favorite. This is a really, really summery, yummy smell. If you guys like to decorate with lemons and stuff like that, this is a really great one. My next favorite is Mama's Kitchen, because that hits home to me. I love that, and it's got that country farmhouse smell, which is what my house is all about. And last but not least is the Cotten Stem. That one's perfect for parties. I really love that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Antique Candle Co. for sending us this box full of candle goodies, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye!